We have so many different plants that absolutely thrive in the summer and thrive in the heat. My name is Teddy, and this is my wife Katie. We're the co-founders of Simply Trees, and we ship over 500 different varieties of plants and trees across the country directly to your door.
Somewhere in this video, we're going to give away $1,000, so stick around to earn free money to spend on your landscaping.
I'm going to show you guys 10 of our favorite plants that absolutely thrive during summer and love the heat.
Hot summer weather is usually not what kills plants. Bad watering habits kill plants. People tend to water too much or too little. Plants typically prefer a deep, thorough soaking a few times a week rather than a few light soaks per day.
If I had to choose any perennial that thrives during the summer and loves heat, I'd go with Russian sage every single time. These are a 3-gallon Russian sage. It thrives drought-tolerant climates once it's established and is pollinator friendly and does really well in a variety of different soil conditions, which makes it a very versatile plant for many states across the country.
This is one of our top sellers, and for a good reason. It is our Arbequina olive tree, the 6 to 7 foot jumbo size. And why customers love this tree is it's very drought tolerant, and it does extremely well in climates like Southern California and Arizona, and it complements any landscape.
This is the Spartan Juniper. If someone came to me and said, I have a small yard but I need privacy, I'd recommend this every single time. It does great in pretty much every climate in the United States. It's tough, it tolerates drought, humidity, it is disease resistant. It might even be deer resistant. I don't know for sure. You can find that out on our website, simplytrees.com.
We carry a few different varieties of the Texas sage, one of which is the green cloud Texas sage. It has beautiful foliage, purple flowers. It's extremely drought tolerant. If you're landscaping in the Texas or the Southwest, this one's perfect for you.
If you want something almost impossible to kill, I recommend Agave, specifically blue bluff. It's modern and architectural. It requires almost no water once it is established, and it looks incredible mixed with ornamental grasses and flowering perennials.
If you want butterflies in your garden, we recommend the Pugster blue butterfly bush. The blooms just keep coming. Pollinators absolutely love it. It's compact enough for almost any landscape, and the color is incredible all summer long.
Salvia is the best flowering perennial in my opinion for any landscape. The blooms keep coming all summer long and all pollinators absolutely love it. It's compact and does great in any landscape. The color is incredible, and we sell a variety of different colors: red, white, blue, dark blue, purple, whatever you like, we probably sell it, and we're adding a ton more for next year.
Every garden needs structure, and I love the Eagleston Holly for this reason. The Eagleston Holly is adaptable to various soil types. They love the heat, and they look great in almost every yard.
Behind me is a Natchez Crape Myrtle. Crape Myrtles are awesome to live in a hot climate. These trees love the heat. They're so cool. They have a unique bark, differentiates them from like a birch or something else that has that clump form.
I'm here in our rose garden in Texas with our David Austin roses. These roses are great for that cottage-inspired look. They're an English tea rose, so they have a beautiful scent, stunning blooms. They do really well in the heat, and overall, they're pretty easy to take care of. You just have to deadhead them a few times a summer, but they keep reblooming and they look beautiful.
Thank you guys for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something. If you want to win $1,000 of free money toward your landscape, please like and subscribe and share this video with someone else, and we will randomly select someone at the end of the week.